Nteto ciingi thirikari yugite gatecaniria bururu mubango wa kuthamia arimu nja ya kaunti cia ukirima ugaruruku maria makuruthwa ni thirikari ino ya William Ruto. Akiaria risukuru imwe ntere cia Komaro kaunti ya Nairobi, munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua na ugite mwarimu akabewa kanya ga kwithurira kuria kwenda kuruta wira itagaria riri rikionekanagia tari ya kuthiria bururu mibango ya thirikari ya Uhuru Kenyatta. Rais William Ruto na wekire cukuru ya Joseph Kang'ethe kaunti ni o inu na uritie arutwo mama maria makurutha kigerio kia mwaka uyu nimeumini kenda mabetuka. Kigerio gia KCPE na KPSEA ni kithungirite ntuku ya kairi na akiaria rais wa nthi ino Daktari William Ruto na uritie arutwo mama gwikira ntitini kenda mabetuka nuntu nimekaritwe wega muno.
Wizara ambayo inahusikana na mambo haya ya elimu tumekubaliana na wao ya kwamba kila mwanafunzi bila ya kusumbuliwa, bila ya mambo ya vurugu katika sehemu zote za Kenya, kila mwanafunzi apatiwe nafasi ya kufanya mtihani katika mazingira tulivu na mazingira yenye iko na amani. Na ndio sababu tumemobilize askari wengi kuhakikisha ya kwamba mambo ya mitihani inaendelea vizuri katika centers zetu zote. And I want to say for the record that this examination, we are going to be having examinations in all the centers for our 3 million plus students.
Nkuru kinariritie monto makiuria kinene aciari makoyuria kuria ciana ino ikathie nyuma ya igerio ino ni untu augite makaninkanira mwerekera ntuko itikurasa.
We will be agreeing on how to transit into the next level. A decision is going to be made in the very short term so that you can know next year, especially for those who are in grade 6 and grade 7, how they will move and transit to the next level.
Na wakiaria munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua ari skuruni ya primary ya Komaro na kathite arimu ni wira mwega umakuruta.
I want to thank the teachers who have prepared these learners for the good job that you have done. And I want to say once again that the teaching profession is a calling. Nobody can compensate you adequately for what you do. It's a sacrifice. And that is why we are calling for respect for our teachers, because what they do is a calling. It's such a huge sacrifice.
Na KUUGA ni magwiciria kweberia mubango wa kuthamia arimu nja ya kaunti CIAO ni kenda maruta wira mategusumbuka.
In our plan in the Kenya Manifesto, we agreed that the process of delocalization should be done away with so that teachers are able to work anywhere without being coerced to work in certain areas. That is why the President has set up the Working Party on Educational Reforms to look at issues CBC, to look at TVET, to look at university education. And this Friday, we'll be giving the way forward after the President receives an interim report on how we proceed with the CBC and other reforms.
Nashokete ariria wandikani wa arimu mweri wa mbere mwaka ututhiete uria KUUGA makandika arimu nkuruki ya ngiri 30.
At a TSC and 5 teachers employed by the Board of Management, which is quite a burden to our parents. And since I've come here, I want to give another taking that the 5 teachers that are employed by BOM are going to be employed by TSC in January when we are employing more than 30,000 teachers.